Okay, we're good. All right.
All right, awesome.
Okay, so for the categorical, I thought it was B and C, but I wasn't sure about B.
Yeah, for number two, I put B and C. That's what I put. I put randomly selected brand of toothpaste, and then I put age and years. Because the first one, the number of animals in the local zoo, that's not really like categorical. Not really. It's not really describing that definition.
Okay, me too. All right, number three. I wasn't positive about this, but I put that 112 is a parameter and 100 is a statistic.
Yeah, I got that one wrong. Yeah, I got that one wrong. I selected just one. I selected 100 as parameter, and I picked 112. I picked 100 parameter, 100 the statistic, but apparently that wasn't right. I think.
Okay, I missed what you said just then.
Yeah, for number three, so I picked the first one. I put 100 as a parameter, but I didn't click anything. I was confused about what it was asking.
And so did you get that right or wrong, or you haven't turned one in yet?
I turned it in. I got it wrong.
Okay, all right. Okay, so did you get did you get two right?
Yeah, I got two. Yeah, I got two right. Number three, I don't know. Like what it's, I'm kind of confused what it's asking.
Okay, well, let's turn mine in. After we do this, let's turn mine in, and then we can go back to see what was right and what was wrong. So did they not give you the answers on this one?
Oh, they do. Yeah, they do. They still do. Are we ready to go to question 4?
To get some from the high income property and some from the low income. So that's what I would think.
No, yeah, I agree. All right, what number are we on now?
That was for 5. I thought was a cluster also. Because if you read
correct,
that's correct. Because I was going to say, if you read the
number
characteristic of a cluster, it is subjects are put into groups that hopefully represent the population. Then you randomly select one or more of the groups and sample everybody in that group. So if they select, if they everybody in the 4th grade, I don't know, that just sounded right to me.
No, yeah, and it definitely is correct, so it makes sense. And then for number 6,
I lost you for a minute.
Oh no, yeah, and for number 6, I put it's a SRS. It's a simple random sample, because it's basically the same concept of drawing something out of a hat. You're just picking for all the people who entered into the drawing. That's all it is.
All right. What about 7?
And then 7, I did stratified random sampling.
Me too. Okay. 8, I've got 4.77.
I got 4.771.
Okay, and we're supposed to round to 3 decimals, so you got 4.771.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Okay, 9, I got 1.912.
That's what I got.
Okay. 10, I have true. Oh, that was it.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay, 11, I got negative 0.17.
Yeah, I got 1.65, which I'm pretty sure if I rounded, I would have got 0.17.
Okay, but again, it says round your answer to 3 decimal places, so maybe I need to go out another decimal place. Let me see if I can find where I did the problem. What are we on, number 11?
Yeah.
Actually, I got 0.17. What did you get?
I got 0.165.
0.165. 0.165. Okay, let me do that.
Okay.
Okay, 12, I got 0.689.
Correct.
Okay, 13. I didn't understand 13 at all. I have no idea what it's asking. I don't know the answer to it.
Yeah, I just put none of them because it's like I feel like I don't know. It's like I say I don't really understand what it's saying, so I'm like it just doesn't really sound like any of the options. The first three, so I just put none of them.
And did you get that right?
I did, yeah.
Okay. Okay, 14, I got 1.92.
14, I came up with 0.715. Is what I got.
Okay. Okay, so we need to, and you got that right?
Correct.
Okay, so we need to figure it out then. We need to go through it.
Yeah,
So,
let's just backtrack and just work on it.
All right, so how I figured it out. What are we on? 14? 14.
Yes.
All right, just a minute. 14. I think I did it from the, okay, so let's go back. So the standard deviations of these temperatures. So what I did was I took I think I completed the little table, you know.
Yeah.
I got the answer for each of the tables, and then I added them and divided by 5.
Yeah.
Okay. And what did you get?
I came out with 0.715. I came out with like the answer from the standard deviation of the temperatures.
And that was correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. I wonder if I should go ahead and submit mine. And then we go ahead and then we do it again. Do you think I should do that?
Yeah, we can just do that and see what, and we can do it. Anything you missed, we can kind of just go over it and just get a better understanding of it.
All right, because I haven't answered number 26. Did you get 26?
Yeah.
So what did you do for 26? And then we'll work through it.
So the GMATs just for the 90th percentile.
Yeah.
What did I do? I have to scrounge through my notes.
Because I'm sure you have to figure out the Z-score, and then you go to the applet, right?
Yeah, so that's all you do for like all those ones. Anything with as like that, all you do is once you figure out the Z-score, and like when you just plug it in the applet, and then which is 26 is just asking, you just find like where the 90th percentile is, and it'll give you your answer.
Okay, so is this the answer? 698.832.
698. Yeah, it's close. I got 697, so that's what I put my answer as.
Okay.
So yeah, you're on the right track.
0.832. All right, I'm going to put in what I have, just because, and figure it out. Okay, I've answered everything else. All right, I'm going to go ahead and submit it.
Right.
Because I guess we were supposed to do that, take it ourselves first and then go over it now together and resubmit it. Right?
I believe. Yeah, I think we take it. Yeah, I think we two. I think we do it once, like by ourselves, then resubmit it after we gone over with each other.
Okay. So that's funny because it said that the first time you do it to click false on the first one, but I did that and got it wrong.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And 2, it shows me that which of the following variables is categorical. It says A and B. Oh no, it just, C is wrong. It's just B.
Oh, just B.
Mm-hmm. And then 3, I got completely wrong. 3
So do I.
is 100 is the parameter and 112 is the statistic.
Yeah, because I got that one wrong. It comes up as 100 parameter. What I think 100 and what was the other answer?
112 is the statistic.
Yeah, I got the 100 part right, but I didn't get the 112 part right.
Okay. Wow. Wow. I'm doing terrible. 4 is stratified. Let's hope I did better on the ones where 5 was correct. 5 was cluster.
Yeah.
Six is SRS. 7 is stratified.
Correct.
Wow, and I thought these are so easy. 8, well, I got 4.771, and that was correct.
Mm-hmm.
9 is 1.912.
Correct.
10 is true. 11, good. I got 11 right. That's negative
Yep.
0.165. 12 I missed. It's 0.0681.
That's from the B column too.
I don't know. I
Oh
had
yeah.
689 and it's 681. So we're gonna have to go over 12. Why don't you keep track of the ones we need to go over? Let's go over 12.
Okay.
All
All
right.
right. 12.
Let's not do it yet. Let me go through this first. All right. 13.
Oh, you're good. Yeah, I'm writing it down.
All right. 13 we got correct. None. Good things. We have no idea what that means, huh? I missed 14.
Yeah, exactly.
It was 0.715. What did I have before?
I don't know. You were pretty close. I thought. I can't remember where you put before.
Yeah, I think I was. Okay, 15 is false.
Yep.
16. Oh, now see. Okay, look at 16 for a minute. I put that it was hepatic sinus because it had the smallest standard deviation, but it doesn't. Extradural has the smallest standard deviation, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
Because it had the smallest mean, but it would be the one that has the smallest standard deviation.
Standard.
Yeah.
Correct.
All right. 16.
Yeah, that one could be tricky. I see what you're looking at though, so I can see the confusion.
Okay. 17 was 8.
Correct.
I finally figured out these. 18 was 50.
Yeah.
19 was 2.055.
Yep.
20, okay, I missed 20 out by a lot. I'm not even close. So could you write down that we need to go over 20?
Yep, got it.
21 was D, got that.
Mm-hmm.
22 was 0.5.
Correct.
Did you miss any of these you want us to go over?
I think I missed. Which one did I miss? I think I missed 11. I think I got 0.165, but I don't remember how it came out a negative.
Okay.
I don't remember it being negative. So yeah, I'll put down 11.
Okay, now this is interesting because on 26, remember I told you I got 698.832, and it's 690.
Yeah, you're like right there.
But that's not rounded correctly. It would be, if I'm rounding it would be 699. So I must not have done that right. I missed 27 too. Wow. All right, write down 20, 26, 27, 28. Wow, I thought these were super easy.
Yeah, I was the same way. They throw curveballs.
Okay, 29. Well, finally I got one right. 29. 542.3.
Yep.
30, I got 30 right. Point 1, 2, 3. 31 is, okay, now 31, I was really close. I put 0.32 and it was 0.032.
Well, yeah. So, yeah, you basically got the answer right. Only thing you do is missing the zero. You technically got it right.
Yeah, but you'd still get it wrong.
No, yeah. Yeah, I said, me, if I was grading it, like, okay, you got it right, but yeah, they still mark it wrong.
All right, let's work on, what was the first one? 12?
11.
11, okay.
Yeah. I'm trying to figure out where the negative, I can't remember where the negative came from.
Okay, all right, so the value, what is the value number that goes in the position marked in A? Okay, so what I did is I took the number, which was 37.91. Okay,
Yeah.
let me go over to it. 11. $37.91 minus the 38.08, which, where did I get that? 38.08. Oh, you know what I did? I put those four into the app.
You put them into the what? The Excel?
The applet, yeah, the Excel, to get the mean. Because I had to deduct.
Oh, I see.
Because the X with the line over it is the mean.
Yeah.
So I put the 37.91 minus the 38.08, which was the mean, and I got a negative 0.07.
Oh, okay. I see that's smart. I see what you did.
But that's not, oh, and then you have to divide it by, wait a minute. No, then you have to divide that by the standard deviation. Let's see. I gotta get my computer out. So yeah, it was just 37.91. 0.91. Oh, it's not on. Okay. All right, there we go. So I got 37.91 minus 38.075 equals 0.165. Oh, which is the answer.
Oh, all right. So what did the 38.075 come from? Is that from the
Yeah, that's from the applet.
Okay, did you just put that into Excel and it gave you that answer?
Yeah, I put the 37.91, 37.25, 38.98, and 38.16, and it gave me the mean. You know how it gives you the mean and all that stuff?
Yeah, I know exactly. That's what I'm doing right now.
Okay. Do you want me to read you the numbers?
Okay, I got it. Oh, okay, I see. Yeah, I guess it says the mean is 38.075. I see it. I see the answer.
So then you just take the 37.91 and they give you the formula for it right there under the deviation from the mean and then the x minus the mean.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, so they basically have all this,
okay.
Yeah, they have it all set up for you.
All right. Okay, let's go on to 12.
Okay, 12.
What is the value of the number that goes in position marked B? Okay, so B would be so 37.25.
Yep.
37.25 minus the 38.08. And then the answer to that squared. So let's figure that out. So it's
Is it square rooted or just squared?
No, squared. 2 means squared. It doesn't mean square root, right?
Okay, correct.
All right, so 37.25 minus 38.08 equals negative 0.83. So negative 0.83 and then squared. How do you do that? How do you do that on a computer?
I'm not sure on a computer. I have my calculator.
Well, I have to use a different calculator because one on my phone has that app, but the one I'm using doesn't. So
Okay.
All right, so if I go negative 0.83 squared is 0.6889.
Yeah, that's what comes up on mine.
But see, the answer in the book is 0.681. And
I know which is weird because
I'm getting 0.6889.
That's what I'm getting to on my calculus. I'm trying to figure out where's the mistake coming from.
So see, I think we should ask him about that one. Number 12.
Yeah, I'll put a star next to it.
We got 0.6889 when we did the calculation.
Yeah.
Did you get the same answer?
Yeah. No, yeah, it's straight up on my calculator. That's the one I got.
Okay.
So I'm not sure what.
Is 0.681. 0.681 on 12. On number 12 is the thing we're supposed to write down is 0.681. Okay. All right. So that's our, and the book answer is 0.681. Okay. Okay. So that's 12.
Now number 20.
Well, how about 14?
14.
Temperatures. What is the standard deviation of these temperatures? Okay, so do you still have the thing open where you put it in the standard thing?
Yeah, I still have it open.
All right, so what does it give you for the standard deviation?
I get 0.715099906.
Okay, and that's the correct answer. So I bet I just wrote one from another problem on there. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
If I
No,
went
yeah.
in, obviously I would have got that. Okay, okay, so so we figured out why 16 was 16. All right, how about 20?
Oh yeah, let's work on that. That's a big, I don't know, the whole question's huge. Let's see, so 20 is asking, estimate the standard deviation of the measured nitrate concentration of Rexburg's drinking water. All right, so where is the nitrate concentration?
That's an interesting. So which one are we doing? 20? Okay.
Yeah.
So I did a lot of different things for that. I took 2.055 plus 2x equals, and then I got the standard deviation x was 0.2325, and then I think I didn't know what to do with that.
Yeah, 2.235.
Oh, which I must have just done too much to it, because I got 0.225, which would be 0.233, which is the answer.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
So it sounds like you were there.
I must have just done some other equation with that. Do you know what I mean?
No, yeah, there's like a lot of numbers, just like a lot of numbers they throw in there.
All right. Okay, let's go to 26.
26.
27, 28.
Yeah, these ones are a pain. This has to do with like applet. It says find the GMAT score that corresponds to the 90th percentile. Sometimes I'm just confused. Like it says like 90th and like 10th. I'm like, sometimes it's confusing where to like look for that.
All right, so I did question 26, and I got, that's another one. I got 698.832, and it wants 697. So I'm going to ask him about that too. Well, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
because I obviously did the equation right.
Yeah, you're basically there. Yeah, it's just like something little is just, yeah, something as little that needs to be just fixed real quick, then you'll be good.
832, and the book wants it to be 697. Now that's not really very close.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, I must have like rounded something before, or didn't carry something out or something.
Yeah. I think most of the time it's just like the rounding. Sometimes the rounding could be confusing. It could be like just what exactly are we rounding?
All right, what about 27? And I thought I understood 27 too.
Yeah, because asking for the first quartile.
So you would take the mean, and then you divide it into the 4 sections. And isn't the first quartile, all right, 27. I didn't write that because I thought I got it. So let's do that. Let's get the mean. So the mean number 20 was 2.055. Is that correct? No, that must be a different problem.
So the mean for
Oh, the mean is 542.3. 542.3. Okay, so let me see where I did that. 5.4, 542.3. And the standard deviation is 120.54. So I would have made that little graph thing. And I did. So my little graph, the first one shows 301.22, then 421.76, then the mean is 542.3,
Yeah.
662.84, 783.38. All right, and the question it's asking is the first quartile. So the first quartile isn't any one of these for me. Isn't any one of these numbers. So what did I do wrong?
So I'm trying to figure out. I'm just trying to. As I'm putting a star next to this one, ask Brother Wilcox about that one.
Yeah, because 27 and 28, 663. I didn't get that 461 or the 624 in any of my answers on that, the mean and the quartile thing. And I
Me neither. I'm just trying to figure out.
Because the only way we could have figured out is by doing the standard deviation, because we didn't have the numbers to put in the applet, right?
Correct.
The applet wouldn't have helped us on that, right?
No. Yeah. So yeah. The applet's not meant for. I don't think it's gonna help us in that aspect. No.
All right. So 27 and 28 are the same problem. You know what I mean?
Yeah, it's the same problem. Like I said, just different. It's looking for a different quartile, like basically to be able to find the quartiles, which is. It sounds easy, but sometimes I think it's a lot easier than what we're making it be.
Okay, and 31. You know what? Let's walk through 31 because.
Yeah, that's a weird one.
31.
So the
okay.
probability.
So this is my equation. So I took 600.
Okay.
Which is the number that you're trying to find the answer for. I minused it by the 542.3, which was the mean. I divided that by 120.54, which was the standard deviation, divided by the square root of 15, which was the sample.
Correct.
Does that sound like the correct equation to you?
Yes.
Okay, so 600, let's go ahead and do it, maybe see what the problem is. So 600 minus the 542.3, I got 57.7, and that's what I've got. The square root of 15 is 3.873. Let me check that again. 3.873, I rounded it.
Yeah.
Maybe that was part of the problem. So then you would take 120.54 minus the 3.873.
Are you dividing it or are you subtracting it?
I divided it. It's 120.54 divided by the square root of 15.
Okay.
Oh, but now I'm getting something different. So I'm going to write this number down. And last time I got 31.123, which I think was the right answer on 30. Okay. But on 31, all right, well, let's write this down and see what we get. 116.667. So then I would take 57.7 divided by 116.667 equals 0.49457, which is the z-score.
Correct.
But that's not what it's asking me for. It's asking, I don't know. So do I have to put this 0.1854 in the applet? I mean the 116.667 in the applet? No. The
1.6.
Now, see, I've got so many numbers now. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with them. 9.
Yeah, because I put it so I put like the 1.86 in the applet. And it says greater, so I clicked the right side of the applet. And I got 0.0314, but I'm not getting 0.032.
0.03. You got 0.0314?
Yeah.
Well, you round the 1. Oh, but it's a 4. You wouldn't round it up, would you?
Yeah, I didn't round it up at all. So I'm like trying to figure out what I did wrong there.
All right, let's ask him about 31 also.
Yeah,
so basically,
like we're very close.
I need help on 12, 26, and 31.
Yeah, I need help. I just help figure out what the quartiles are on 26, 27, and then 31. Because I feel like we're there, but yeah, we're still coming up short.
Okay. Let's see. All right, I'm going to go on with him tomorrow night. Did you see that?
Same here. Yeah, I'm gonna try to go on. I'm gonna try to get home early so I can do that because that'd probably be helpful for the exam.
Was it 7 your time?
Huh?
Do you remember? Was it 7 your time?
Yes, correct.
Okay, so that means it's 6 o'clock for me. Okay. All right. Are we good to go tonight?
Yep, it was good. So yeah, so hopefully tomorrow we'll be able to hopefully get things cleared up. And like I said, if we miss, he says he's a recorded. So if we need to watch it or listen to the recording, he'll have that. He can send that to us.
All right. All right. Thanks.
Awesome. Thank you, Vicky. Have a good night.
Tomorrow.